Soil. Activity. Layers of soil. Theory. Soil with larger particles has larger holes, resulting in fast draining water. Soil with small particles drains water more slowly. Some soil, such as clay, make it very hard for water to seep through and are almost impermeable. Ground, such as granite, is impermeable. Water flows over the particles into cracks but cannot get through the particles. What we need: water, pot, red food coloring, preferably liquid, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, coarse ground black pepper 1/2 tablespoon, spoon, 3 empty water bottles with lids, a pair of scissors, popping corn kernels unpopped, cornmeal, cornstarch, 3 tall glasses. Preferably, they should be glasses with a rather narrow opening so that an upside down water bottle can rest in each glass opening. Measuring cup. How we do it. Step 1. Pour about 500 milliliters of water into a pot. Step 2. Add 2 drops of red food coloring, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and half a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper. Mix well. This will serve as the dirty water. Step 3. To create your 3 soil containers, have an adult around you who can carefully help you cut off and discard the bottoms of the 3 empty water bottles. Step 4. Turn the tops upside down so they look like elongated funnels. Leave the bottle caps on and let the funnels rest in the glass openings. Step 5. Fill the funnel part of each soil container with popping corn kernels. The kernels represent pebbles in nature. Step 6. Add a 2.5 cm around 1 inch layer of cornmeal on top of the layer of popping corn in one soil container, which represents coarse sand in nature. Step 7. Add a 2.5 cm layer of corn starch on top of the layer of popping corn in the second soil container, which represents clay-like soil in nature. Step 8. Add a 2.5 cm layer of popping corn to the third container. All 3 containers should now have the same level of soil. Step 9. Stir the dirty water well. Step 10. First, wet the surface of the soil by pouring 4 tablespoons of dirty water over the soil in each of the 3 containers. Step 11. Scoop out 1/4 cup of dirty water and pour it over the soil in one container. Which soil do you expect will allow the water to seep through fastest? What we learn: the larger holes between the kernels or pebbles allow water to seep through quickly. The water drains fast. Cornmeal has smaller particles, just like sand. These particles pack close together and leave little holes in between. The water can still seep through but takes a little longer. Cornstarch is similar to clay. It consists of very small particles packed closely together. The water has a very hard time getting through this material. So, dear students, let's try to find out the answers to some questions that follows. Now, check your responses. So we hope you have liked this activity. Happy learning!